look in there. Look at that gooiness. Creamy spinach and mozzarella toast. Look at that. Mozzarella falling around all over. That is superb. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, you know, you've got some thick crusty bread. You want to know what you're going to do with it. We're going to make an absolutely cracking creamy spinach mozzarella toast. Fantastic recipe, easy to come together, really delightful to eat as a snack or a light meal. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. Little pan on, and we're going to go in there with some butter. It's a butter one, this one. We're going in there with some garlic. A little saute on that garlic with that butter. Oh, garlic butter flavour. Oh, a bit like garlic bread. Fabulous. As soon as you see it start to tinge, we're going in with some flour. And it's only a tiny bit of flour. In we go. It's a nice straightforward recipe, this. Just cook your flour in there. Oh, that's got it. In with our spinach. Now this is frozen spinach, which I've wrung the water out and just quickly chopped through with some scissors. Start to give that a little cook in there with that flour and that garlic. Just a couple of minutes cook. In with some pepper. In with a little bit of salt. Fantastic. Oh, we got some nice brownish garlic in there. Fantastic. Smell is wonderful. Nice bit of spinach cooking away. In with some cream. And we're going to cook that till it thickens a little bit with the spinach. Oh, fabulous. Just watch the heat. Oh, that looks tremendous. Going in there with a little bit of nutmeg. A pinch of nutmeg. Nutmeg complements through with the spinach very nicely. Heat to low, very low. In there with our Parmesan. In there with our mozzarella. And we're just going to cook that in there till it all melts. Get it all stringy and melted all the way through. Fantastic. Fabulous. Get that flame off. That is tremendous. We've got a nice creamy cheesy spinach mixture going on there. Look at that. Wow. Okay, we got a little tray going on here, and I've got one of these little trivets over the top so the heat goes round, because I'm actually using an air fryer. Now I'm hoping that we can just get all four on in one go. We can. That is fantastic. And what we're going to do is spoon our mixture onto there and put some more cheese on. And we're going to cook it in the oven. We're going to bake it in the oven. So the oven is preheated to about 170 or 180 at home. Okay, so what we're going to do is bob our mixture on our toast, or it's not even toast, we're going to bob our mixture on the bread. So I look at this creamy goodness on here. Oh, come on. Get it right up to the edge. Now what's going to happen with this, we're going to put a little bit of mozzarella over the top, but there's already mozzarella and cream and everything in that spinach. It's all going to melt on there. The bread's still going to stay soft, but because we've raised it up, okay, we're using an air fryer, but it's the same procedure for an oven. It's going to crisp up round and underneath. It's going to be a lovely melty spinach toast. Oh, fabulous. Now, I would say that they're pretty much fully loaded. They look superb. And we want a little bit of that mozzarella on there. We want that to brown up crusty on the top of there and just melt on the top. Oh, fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. And then let's get it in the oven. Let's get it cooking. Whoa. Get it in the oven. It's going in for about 10 minutes. Could be a little bit longer. All we're doing is melting up, crisping up, toasting up. Oh, awesome. Oh, there we have it, look. Oh, look at those things. Now that is what we are talking. Just look at those. Now that is proper goodness on some bread. And this bread is a couple of days old, and that is absolutely fabulous. Creamy spinach and mozzarella toast. Look at that. Now that looks absolutely fabulous. The smell is amazing. So we need to come in here. This thing is red hot. Let's just come in there. Oh, oh, sticky, sticky. Come on. Well, you know what it is. It's spinach and cheese. Oh, look in there. Look at that gooiness. Oh, come on. Oh, look in there. Mozzarella falling around all over. That is superb. Come on, we know it's only a toasty, but it's a fantastic toasty. It's loaded with all that cheese, that Parmesan, the mozzarella, the spinach. That is superb. That is so light, so tasty. That is delicious. I think even Popeye would like that. That is absolutely incredible. If you like spinach, you've cracked it. Spinach, cheese, a little bit of seasoning, that creaminess in there, nice toasty bread, light toasted actually because it's been done in the oven. That is superb. So if you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends, share all over. That would be fantastic. I'll appreciate that. That'll help the channel grow. Big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell for notifications every time we upload. Catch you in the next video.